And we are following several breaking stories. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Michael Brownlee.
And I'm Carolyn Johnson. We begin with the new warning about vaping. This after a man in LA County died after smoking an e-cigarette.
NBC4's Gordon Tukumatsu joins us live from the County Health Department, where officials are sounding the alarm. Gordon.
Yeah, Michael, doctors here at the LA County Department of Health are calling this a critical emergency health issue, which everyone who vapes should definitely consider. They said this after announcing that that man has died here in LA County, and vaping is believed to have contributed to his death. Now, they're not saying much about him as his medical status is protected, but we know he was older than 55, known by physicians to have used vaping devices in the past. His death coming after numerous reports of vaping illness nationwide that have been making headlines, including the case of a young man in Northern California. His family recently releasing photos of him hooked up to a respirator, fighting for his life after developing a serious lung infection from vaping. He remains alive today, but the LA County death comes after similar symptoms.
This was in an older adult who had chronic underlying health conditions, but it is clearly believed that vaping was a probable potential cause of death.
This is the fourth known death reported in the United States within the last 2 weeks.
Earlier today, we spoke with a physician from Dignity Health in Northridge about this very issue. He told us the current research is focusing on at least one substance often found in vaping capsules that contain marijuana. It's called vitamin E acetate, which can turn into a thick substance in your lungs.
It's an oil, and when you have fats or oils that are introduced into the lungs, they can cause a pneumonia.
But Dr. Martinez told us that is only part of this unfolding story. There are a host of other substances that you inhale whenever you vape. Vitamin E is only one of them. He and other doctors recommend that you stop vaping until more is known about what is causing all of these people to become sick and some of them to die. Live in downtown LA, Gordon Tukumatsu, NBC4 News.